Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I'll show you how to use Microsoft Outlook. This is my Microsoft Outlook profile. You can use as many as email if you want. You can use your Gmail, Yahoo all together. From the top left, click File. From there you can add account. Just write your name, email address and password and click Next. It will automatically add to your Outlook. From here you can see all your email address. If you want to send email, you can click new email. Now you can see there are a nice interface which you can find in your Gmail or Yahoo. From here you can change your font style, and there are many options. From left there are also sent items, drafts, deleted items, everything here. If you click an email, you can reply directly from the top. You can also discard your email. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe.